Hey guys, what's going on? Ange out here again, and I'm back out at the BMX track with Saul. We finally got to catch up again after a couple of months, so it's been a while, but yeah, the weather isn't too bad. There's a few drops of rain around, but that doesn't matter. We're gonna go do some bashing today. Got out a few cars today, as you can see, right up to the Creighton. So I've got my little Blackzon Slayer that's going to come out. Saul's got his little Typhon Grom, his little TK16. I've got my Team Associated, which is going to be running on 3S. I've got my VU 002 something something, which I'm going to be running on 3S. That's had a brushless upgrade. I've got my 4S Hamoto in there and the Remo Hobby. But yeah, look, I'm going to start off with the smaller one for now, and we'll see how we go. Probably going to have a few videos on this one, so yeah, check them out. The last time we brought this out, I'd done a speed run on it. Can't remember the speed on it, but I had that much power that I just kept on backflipping it, and yeah, just roof skidding the whole way through down the street. But today I'm just going to take it out for a bash. Got my little zippy 25C 1300 3S battery in there. Gonna throw that in there, and yeah, see how we go with this one. Let's have some fun. All right, so this one just got a Surpass ESC in there, 45 amp. Upgraded the steering servo, which is in there. Just got a Fly Sky receiver transmitter in there, and what else? And the motor is, I think it's a 3800, but I can't remember the size. I'll have to put that up on the screen there for you. But yeah, get the body on, and let's go. I don't know where Saul went. How you going, mate? All right?
Big one.
Big one coming up. I'll wait for Saul. Here he comes with his little TK. Lovely. Start off hard. Oh! Nothing broken yet. That's all right.
Yeah, I'm surprised I haven't broken anything. Oh, I've got a tree.
You got a tree? Oh.
There we go.
Ah, just the bounciness of those tires, but it done all right. Oh, come on, stay on the wheels, that's it. Oh. Oh, oh, I've lost my front body pins. Ah, 3 pins have gone. Lucky I got spares. We'll go fix them up. Gotta wait for the children. Nice. Nice, got some great power on this. Yeah. Go back to here. Oh! Landed flat, but on the wrong side. Oh. Come on. Ah. Come on, give me a push. Go, go. Thank you. This one is just really lasting. Like, it's copped a beating. The battery is about to fall out, but it's going all right. Nice. That's what I wanted. Surely this will be running out of battery soon. Nice. That's it. Oh, you just said it. Low power.
Oh, really? Yeah.
That's it. We're done.
That was a long time though.
That was a very long time. All right, guys. That's it for that one. So this one finally ran out of battery power. This lasted such a long time. So surprised with it. I do have the low voltage cutoff set, but yeah, this one just kept on going and going. So really surprised with it. Apart from losing a couple of R pins on the body, the battery has shifted back a little bit. Hasn't really got a proper mount on it, but apart from that, nothing else broke. I had a steering arm pop out. They're only plastic, but this thing, as you saw, has just copped a beating, and it's been great. I just think I might have to downsize these tires. They're a little bit too big and spongy. I just couldn't get the control right in the air on some points, but overall, so happy with this one. Glad I took this one out again. It is one of my little favorite ones, so yeah. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get one of these from. Obviously it'll be stock standard. I have modified this one, like I said, up to a 3S, but they're still great fun on a brushed system. So yeah, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.